Some legends are just waiting to be found, buried under time but not forgotten. This 1970 Ford Ranchero had seen better days, a classic in crisis. But every scar tells a story, and every part can be reborn. It's a labor of love, precision, and passion, bringing back the factory-perfect Wimbledon white and Calypso coral. Layer by layer, the past is polished away, revealing a future of pure glory. Every detail restored to its former brilliance, a true resurrection. And then the moment of truth, back where it belongs, in the sun. Classic isn't just a car, it's a statement, a piece of history, reborn.